In the last lecture, we see the formation of the differential equation. That means we form the differential equation from the given expression. Here, differential equation, an equation which contains the derivative of the function is called the differential equation. That means we differentiate the given expression. But here, in the differential equation, there is a one arbitrary constant, we differentiate one times. If in the differential equation there is a two arbitrary constant, we differentiate two times. That means here in the differential equation there is a n arbitrary constant, we differentiate the n times. Okay, that means we differentiate, then we get the differential equation. Okay, here given expression and we differentiate the given expression, then we get the differential equation. That means the given expression is the solution of that differential equation. Okay, now here the question is verify the given expression is the solution of the differential equation. Here the expression and the differential equation are the given. We want to verify this expression is solution of this differential equation. That means we differentiate this expression. If we get this differential equation, then it is a solution of this differential equation. Okay, that means examples are the same as last lecture. That means we differentiate and we get the differential equation, but here the differential equation is given. We just verify it is solution or not. If we get this differential equation, that means the solution of this differential equation, it is a given expression. Okay, and here such type of the examples we have already learned in our chapter differentiation, the second order derivative or in the first order derivative. Okay, here for the implicit function and the second order derivative, if the differential equation is order 2, that examples are we already learned in second order derivative. And if the differential equation like that, here it is the implicit function. Okay, but in the differentiation there is a question is asked here, if x into y is equal to log y plus c, then show that this, like that. Example solution is the same as the differentiation. Okay, we just differentiate this equation. Okay, solution is same, question is only some minor change in the question. Here is a differential equation and there is directly differentiate, then we get the equation, it is a differential equation. Okay, now see one by one. Here the exercise 6.3, example number 1. Okay, in each of the following examples verify that the given expression is solution of the corresponding differential equation. Here we see the first example. Here it is a given expression. Here given that it is x into y plus log y plus c. Then differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Here x into y, here it is equal to, here x into y, here we use the u into v. That means x into y differentiate with respect to x. Here we use the u into v, product rule of the derivative. First function as it is into derivative of the second function plus second as it is into derivative of the first. Okay, it is a derivative of the LHS. Now RHS, it is a log y plus c. The derivative of log y with respect to x, it is 1 by y dy by dx, and plus derivative of c, it is a 0. Now we have to find the differential equation. So here it is a dy by dx and here is also dy by dx. Correct the dy by dx. Here this dy by dx you can write in the LHS. It is x into dy by dx minus 1 by y dy by dx is equal to minus y. This y take this side. Then dy by dx take common. X minus 1 by y dy by dx is equal to minus y. Now take the calculation. xy minus 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to minus y, and therefore the dy by dx is equal to minus y square upon xy minus 1. But here y square upon 1 minus xy, so minus multiply the minus by numerator and denominator. dy by dx is equal to y square upon, here it is a 1 minus xy, and we get this differential equation from this. Therefore, is the solution of this differential equation, and hence xy is equal to log y plus c is solution of given differential equation, of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to y square upon 1 minus xy. It is a differential equation and is the solution of this differential equation. Okay. Now we see the second example in this. Y is equal to sin inverse x whole square plus c, and the differential equation it is 1 minus x square d2y by dx2 minus x dy by dx is equal to 2. Okay, here again we differentiate this expression and show to 1 minus x square d2y by dx2 minus x dy by dx is equal to 2. Okay, here from this expression we form the differential equation as this. Okay, and if we get this differential equation, then is the solution of the given differential equation. Now given that y is equal to sin inverse x whole square plus c. Now differentiate with respect to x. Okay, here derivative of y, it is dy by dx, and here sin inverse of square, that means here first we use the x square, derivative of x square, it is a 2 into sin inverse x, and into derivative of sin inverse x, it is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square and plus 0. Okay, plus 0, it is not necessary to write here, derivative of c it is a 0. Now dy by dx is equal to 2 into sin inverse into 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, that means here 2 sin inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square, then again differentiate, then here dy by dx2, and here we use the u by v formula. Okay, 2 sin inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square, derivative of the u by v. Okay, but here we take the one more step and it is easy to the calculation. Here it is a 1 minus x square dy by dx is equal to 2 into sin inverse x. Now here we take this under root in the LHS. Now here it is a multiplication, and here now we use the derivative of u into v, and u into v it is easy than the u by v. Okay, here u into v, it is first function, it is second function, and it is only the sin inverse x, and if we directly differentiate, then here we use the u by v formula. Okay, and here it is lengthy calculation than this calculation. Okay, now here it is easy, we can differentiate again, differentiate with respect to x, it is first function, it is second function, under root 1 minus x square into d2y by dx2 plus second function as it is into derivative of the first function is under root 1 minus x square, therefore it is 1 upon 2 into under root 1 minus x square into minus 2x, and is equal to derivative of this function 2 as it is into 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Okay, see carefully this. First as it is, derivative of second, then derivative second as it is, derivative of the first. Here it is under root x, Okay, x replaced by the function 1 minus x square, therefore 1 upon 2 under root x, and x replaced by 1 minus x square, therefore derivative in the multiple of 1 minus x square, it is minus 2x. Now we rewrite this, it is under root of 1 minus x square d2i by dx2. Then this minus, this plus, we get minus, 2 get cancelled, and here x upon under root 1 minus x square dy by dx is equal to 2 upon under root 1 minus x square, this term as it is. And now throughout multiply by under root 1 minus x square. When we here multiply under root 1 minus x square, square root cancel, we get 1 minus x square. When here multiply under root 1 minus x square, this under root get cancelled. Here we multiply by under root 1 minus x square, then this under root cancel. Okay. Therefore, multiply by under root 1 minus x square to both sides, and therefore we get 1 minus x square d2i by dx2 minus x dy by dx is equal to this 2. Okay. And now from this expression we get this differential equation. From this expression we get this differential equation. That means this expression is solution of this differential equation, and hence we can write y is equal to sin inverse x whole square plus c is solution of differential equation 1 minus x square d2i by dx2 minus x dy by dx is equal to 2. Okay, see carefully this. Here it is a solution of this differential equation. Now we see the third example. Here this example is also we see in our chapter differentiation, the article second order derivative. Okay, there is a question, if y is equal to sin inverse x square, then show that 1 minus x square d2i by dx2 minus x dy by dx equal to 2. Okay, example is same, answer is same. Now third example, y is equal to e to the power minus x plus ax plus b, and the corresponding differential equation e to the power x d2i by dx2 is equal to 1. Now here the given expression y is equal to e to the power minus x plus ax and plus b. Okay, here are the two arbitrary constants. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to e to the power minus x into minus 1, the derivative of the minus x, plus a into derivative of the ax, a into 1, and plus it is a 0. Again differentiate with respect to x. d2i by dx2 is equal to, again we differentiate here, e to the power minus x. Okay, this minus you can write here, and into minus 1. Okay, here this minus already 1 minus, and derivative of e to the power minus x, e to the power minus x into minus 1, and plus the derivative of a, it is a 0, and therefore we can write d2i by dx2 is equal to e to the power minus x Okay, and then this e to the power minus x you can write here, therefore you can write e to the power x, okay, divide throughout by e to the power x is equal to 1. Okay, here e to the power minus x we can write here 1 upon e to the power x, and this e to the power x take the LHS, e to the power x d2i by dx2 is equal to 1. E to the power minus x, this can be written 1 upon e to the power x, and this e to the power x we can write the LHS. That means it is the solution of this differential equation. Last answer. Hence y is equal to e to the power minus x plus ax plus b is solution of differential equation e raised to x d2i by dx2 is equal to 1. Now the fourth example. Example number 4. Y is equal to x to the power m, and the corresponding differential equation is x square d2i by dx2 minus mx dy by dx plus my equal to 0. Okay, now here it is given expression, it is y is equal to x to the power m. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y, it is a dy by dx is equal to m into x to the power m minus 1. Okay, again differentiate. Here d2i by dx2 is equal to, here m as it is, into, it is m x to the power m minus 1, so we can write here m minus 1 into x to the power m minus 2. Here it is a second order derivative. Now we want to find this relation, x square into d2i by dx2, okay, minus mx dy by dx plus my is equal to 0. We want to find this relation. Okay, now here it is a d2i by dx2, we multiply by x square. Okay, from this equation multiply by x square, we get x square d2i by dx2 is equal to, see carefully, m into m minus 1 into, it is x to the power m, see carefully this, it is x to the power m, it is m into x to the m minus 1, and here multiply by x square. When we multiply by x square to x to the power m minus 1, we get x to the power m. Now then it is x square d2i by dx2 is equal to, here it is m square minus m. Okay, m square minus m, only take the calculation, into x to the power m, again multiply. Okay, here directly we can write this step also, it is m square into x to the power m minus m into x to the power m. See carefully this, here multiply by m into m minus 1 and x to the power m. We can directly write this step. This step is not necessary to write, we can directly write this step. Okay, multiply by m and x to the power m to this step. Now here it is m into x to the power m. X to the power m it is y. So last step it is my. It is my. X square d2y by dx2. It is x square d2y by dx2. Now only the middle term minus m into dy by dx. This term. Okay. M into dy by dx. Therefore we get here x square d2y by dx2 is equal to, see carefully, here it is m dy by dx, it is m into x to the power m minus 1. So here, okay, this term, it is m into, okay, carefully paha, it is m x to the power m, it is x to the power m. We can write, it is divide and multiply by x, it is m to the power minus 1 into x. See carefully this. Okay. Here it is m, we can write m into m. X to the power m, we can write x to the power m minus 1 into x. X to the power m minus 1 into x. And this second term as it is, m into x to the power m. And now x square d2y by dx2 is equal to, here it is mx, this m and this x, mx, and this middle two terms, m into x to the power m minus 1, m into x to the power m minus 1, it is dy by dx, and minus m into y, and then last answer, x square d2y by dx2 minus mx dy by dx plus my is equal to 0. This, okay. Here this adjustment, see carefully, this step is not necessary to write. We multiply direct m into x to the power m. Okay. Here one step we will remove this. Now take the multiplication of this, we get this. Then m into x to the power m, into x to the power m, it is m into y, and here m square x to the power m, but here we want to mx dy by dx, and dy by dx is m into x to the power m minus 1. M is already here, so we can write m into m square, we can write m into m. Here it is x to the power m already, but we want to x to the power m minus 1, so we can write x to the power m, we can write in the form of this rules of indices, and then m into x to the power m minus 1, it is dy by dx, and it is mx. Okay, and this is last answer. That means it is the solution of this differential equation. Hence y is equal to x to the power m is solution of the differential equation, this differential equation, x square d2y by dx2 minus mx dy by dx and plus my is equal to 0. Okay, here see carefully this. First it is first derivative, it is second derivative. Okay, derivative finish, then we simply the adjust in the form of this. Here it is x d2y by dx2 into x square, and here only d2y by dx2, so we multiply by x square, and then we get this adjustment. Other method is, here it is y, here dy by dx, and here d2y by dx2. We get this expression and put the value of d2y by dx2, dy by dx and y. We get, if we get 0, then this relation satisfy. Okay, here this is the other method. Okay, हा प्रॉब्लेम या मेथड न करा, किंवा काय करणार तुम्ही y dy by dx आणि d2y by dx2 तिन्ही टर्म आहेत, या साईडची LHS घ्या, LHS मध्ये ह्या तिन्ही किमती ठेवा, इक्वल टू 0 आलं तर दिस रिलेशन सॅटिस्फाय. दॅट मीन्स दिस प्रूव्स x square d2y by dx2 minus mx dy by dx plus my इक्वल टू 0. ओके, दोन्हीपैकी कोणत्याही मेथड न करा, एक तर डायरेक्ट व्हॅल्यू पुट करा, नाही तर मग या पद्धतीने ॲडजस्टमेंट करा. ओके, नाव द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. example number 5, y is equal to a plus b by x. It is a given expression and the corresponding differential equation is x d2y by dx2 plus 2 dy by dx is equal to 0. Now the given expression it is y is equal to a plus b by x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to derivative of a, it is a 0, plus b as it is, and derivative of 1 by x, it is a minus 1 by x square. That means we can write minus b upon x square. dy by dx, it is a minus b upon x square. Then we take x square in the LHS. Therefore we get x square dy by dx is equal to minus b. Again differentiate, then this arbitrary constant get cancelled. Differentiate with respect to x. First function and its second function. First as it is into derivative of the second function plus second as it is into derivative of the first function, that is derivative of x square, it is 2x and it is 0. Now we take x common and then take in the RHS. Therefore we get x d2y by dx2 plus 2 dy by dx is equal to 0. Here we take x and this x common and it will be 0. Okay, therefore x d2y by dx2 plus 2 dy by dx, and it is our differential equation, and hence y is equal to a plus b by x is solution of differential equation x d2y by dx2 plus 2 dy by dx is equal to 0. Here now we see the last example in this question number 1. Here y is equal to e to the power ax. Corresponding differential equation it is x dy by dx is equal to y log y. Now here given equation it is a y is equal to e to the power ax. Now differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to e to the power ax into a. It is the derivative of e to the power ax. Okay, it is the first derivative, but our last answer it is a x dy by dx, y into it is log y. Okay, here e to the power x into a, that means here we want to log y. Now here the equation number 1 by 1, it is y is equal to e to the power ax. Therefore taking log on both sides, log y is equal to log e to the power ax, that means ax. Okay, now here it is a dy by dx, e to the power ax we put y, but here it is a. Now log y is equal to ax, therefore log y upon x is equal to a. Now put this value in this equation, and therefore dy by dx becomes e raised to ax into a, and then it is e raised to ax means y, e raised to ax y, and a it is log y upon x. And now the last answer x becomes here इट इज x dy by dx is equal to y into log y, and hence y is equal to e to the power ax is solution of differential equation x dy by dx is equal to y into log y. सी केअरफुल. हिअर आता हे सगळे एक्झाम्पल्स केअरफुली पहा. हे सगळे एक्झाम्पल्स ॲज इट इज तुम्हाला डिफरन्शिएशन चॅप्टरमध्ये झालेले आहेत, एक तर इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शनमध्ये किंवा सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्हमध्ये. फक्त तिथे काय होतं, इफ धिस क्वेश्चन देन शो दॅट दिस. ओके, या टाईपचे क्वेश्चन होते. ओके, मग आता तुम्हाला हेच एक्झाम्पल ॲज इट इज आहेत. आता नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये पाहायचं आपल्याला सोल्युशन ऑफ द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. ओके, सोल्युशन ऑफ द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. आता इथं आपण फक्त व्हेरीफाय केलेले, आता ॲक्च्युअल सॉल्व करायचं म्हणजे तुम्हाला इथं एक्सप्रेशन दिलेली आहे. ओके, आणि व्हेरीफाय करायचं की या डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनचं हे सोल्युशन आहे. पण त्याच्यानंतरच्या नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये तुम्हाला सोल्युशन दिलेलं नसणार, फक्त डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन दिलेली असणार आणि त्याला सॉल्व करायचं. ओके, मग आता फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन तयार करण्यासाठी आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्हचा यूज करायलो. मग आता डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन सॉल्व करण्यासाठी काय करणार, त्याची रिव्हर्स प्रोसेस आहे. आणि डेरिव्हेटिव्हची रिव्हर्स प्रोसेस काय, तर इट इज अ इंटिग्रेशन. म्हणजेच आता सोल्युशन ऑफ द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन यासाठी आपल्याला काय यूज करायचं, तर इंटिग्रेशन. याच्यासाठी काय यूज करणार, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, म्हणजे डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन तयार करणार डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. आणि डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन सॉल्व करायचे तर त्याला काय यूज करणार, इंटिग्रेशन. ओके, ते एक्झाम्पल्स आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये पाहू.